What's up, everybody? So we got a boxing club cruise today, and actually yesterday while I was riding, my brake peg fell off, so that's what we're working with today. Fucking lovely. Hey, it works though. I got here with it, it works. But yeah, so we got a boxing club meet and I believe a cruise. I brought the good camera out today, so when we get over to the meet, we're gonna be switching over to the good camera. We got about a 34-minute drive to the cruise, and it actually starts at 8, so it says we're gonna get there around 7:50. That actually works for us, huh? So let's get going. Usually rarely talk. I'm kind of hyped for this meet. I hope it's a good turnout. It's kind of chilly today. It's supposed to be around 50 degrees, I guess, starting at 8, and it's 7:16, so I don't know if I'm gonna be going from the first spot to the second spot, to be honest with you guys. I mean, like I said, it's cold. I'm in full leathers, and I feel it for sure, so I did not trust that bump. I had to go upright. It's not taking us down to 470? We're going to Denver. Hello, phone. I don't trust him one bit with how his rear end is. Holy shit. I don't know anything about Dodge. I think that's a fucking Hemi, but I have no fucking clue. I think he's slow. I think, yeah, I mean, either way, he's a boat. He gave me a thumbs up though, he was nice. Just a nice chill cruise on over there, guys. I'm sorry. It's fucking cold out. I wish there was a little bit more traffic to make it fun for you guys. I don't want to go fast. It's fucking cold, man. No, what are you doing, buddy? Oh, I thought he was about to take a left. Oh, this is an unpopular opinion or not, but fucking, when you turn old age, you should have to redo your test, like your driver's test, your driver's license test, whatever the fuck. Cause like, holy fuck, how are there so many old people, so frail, on the road, when they could barely even brush their own teeth? Just don't make no damn sense, I guess, to me. Ooh, that shit's clean. I was done waiting. I was done waiting. See? My rear brake works fine. I don't need anything else. I don't know if it still lights. I mean, yeah, of course it still lights it up, but that would be funny if it didn't. I can't see it. It's not night enough or dark enough. I'm no clue, man. something in the road. Hey, the Insta360, ever since I took it off that long off the windshield mount, it's actually been working a lot better. I can't throw it up. I don't know what it is today. My fingers are cold. Let me know if you guys like bike sounds or my fucking annoying ass voice in the comments more. Cause I could just commentate like my thoughts, but like this fucking dumbass Lexus. But I don't know, I thought I would do some more, I guess. What the fuck? That did not feel right. A little old Interceptor right next to me. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. I threw a fat wheelie for that lady that gave me the thumbs up in the Interceptor. You want rice? Oh, he actually, I think he's going to. I think he's actually going to hit on it. I want to race you. Yeah? They even see it. I give him that. I had a horrible start. We're just gonna neutral it. Should we stoppie? It's gonna be a fast stoppie. Woo! There we go. That was shitty. About 7 minutes away. Cut off about 6 minutes. Not horrible, but. I hope I read it right and it starts at 8 and not 9. Because now, like, my brain is just saying, oh, it's going to start at 9. And I'm going to be like, oh, that's fucking fantastic. And then I'm not even going to go tonight. So this video is just going to be riding footage and no meat footage. Which, I wrapped my good camera. And I don't know what that would be for if we don't see any good cars or bikes even, to photographer, photo, whatever the fuck, you know? What the fuck? Where are your brake lights, buddy? That truck made that fucking drop look a lot more aggressive. Holy shit, yo. This trailer doesn't even have fucking lights. Like, what are you doing, buddy? Couldn't even see that he had his turning signal on, but he did. Oh my god. This meet is right next to my buddy's house and he's not home! That's crazy! Damn, it's right next to it too. Holy shit. Alrighty guys, well my 360 died and yeah, so we're gonna head over onto the good professional camera. See you guys on over there. What's up guys? Back at the car meet. I got some pictures. I actually did not take any video because it was too dark in this parking garage, so alright, Jetta. Huh. Oh, I know. No, you're doing good. For your first season getting it up, you're getting it up, so that's all that fucking matters.
I've gotten it to about, I want to say maybe like...
I just love how we all split up taking different fucking ways, because no one can go fucking... no one can go slow. I did too. You saw me fucking slide out too?
Yeah, I saw you, dude. I was like kind of next to you when I saw
you. Saw me slide on the gravel? Fuck, I was like, shit, man. Ah, I like this spot. Oh, there we go. Ah, I like this spot right here. Damn, okay, there we go. I got a good spot right there too. Alrighty. You saw it on Facebook? Is that what you just said? Yeah? What do you drive?
I drive a RAV4, bro.
Oh, fuck yeah. Hey, go for it. Click it.
Oh, it's a long time.
7K? 8K?
7,000. Okay.
The newer ones? Do you like them? Yeah.
Is it soft height?
Yeah, yep.
I need it lowered, like 2 in the front, 3 in the back.
So his is that white Kawasaki. Yep.
I know, that's why I see it. I was like...
Yeah.
I love this bike.
You like the 6Rs?
I had a 3, I had an R3 before. What do you shoot?
Huh? The 77D?
What do you have? Lens-wise, what do you have on here?
It's the, I've had it on forever. No, this isn't the kit lens.
Okay, this is light, bro.
Yeah. What do you have?
A Canon R5.
Oh, okay. I'm surprised you like Canon? That's not that bad. It's because of the frame, dude. It's the lens too. It's the lens, but fucking yeah. We'll see you around. Be safe.